Okay, so to start off, forgive me, not the best at making videos, so bear with me. Today, I'll be showing you how to install some mods onto your Minecraft. Add Essential, which is a mod that allows you to play with friends without having a server, completely free. It does require you to have at least a decent computer, well, maybe just a regular computer or laptop, and have some good Wi-Fi. Um, Additionally, with it, your friends will have to pretty much do the same thing that I'm showing in these steps. So to start off, once you get Minecraft all downloaded and you purchase it, you need to have the Java edition or what they call Minecraft, I believe, or not Minecraft, Microsoft Now. Um, Once you get that on your computer, you want to go search and download CurseForge. It allows you to pretty much install mod packs pretty easily, and once install it and stuff, you can automatically play it off of CurseForge. You could do it with other games, however, Minecraft is the one we're going to work on for right now. So my example is going to be with RLCraft. Yes, it's got a lot of mods, buggy, you get one shot, you get frustrated, it can be a nightmare. Yes. But why not suffer with others? Have a friend join you and pretty much have them lose some hair. Anyway, it does look like I have a central mod downloaded. However, that's not the correct way of doing it. You don't find Essential here. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the mod pack that you want to play. For mine, it's going to be RL Craft. Yes, it's hell, but it's fun. I swear. And what you're going to do is you're going to go onto Google and you're going to type in essential.gg and you're going to find I did a little extra support the basics, use Essential with CurseForge mod packs. And when we scroll all the way down, you're going to see Essentials version 1.12.2 hashtag Forge. The reason for it is because RLCraft goes off of the 1.12.2 Minecraft edition. Don't worry about this part. This part refers to the mod pack itself. Your friends still need to have the same version, and if you need to change that, it's right here, and you can pick any of the versions that you want, that fun stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the version that you need, which is 1.12.2, all right? It's going to look pretty much like this once you install it. Essential Forge 1-12-2 Java. All right, and so what you're going to do next is with the mod pack that you want, click on settings, open up folder, and it's going to have all this crazy stuff. We're going to click on mods, be delicate with this. Not really, you don't need to. Um, and what we're going to do is pretty much click this bad boy, add it, and then there you go, it's all set. Just got to get rid of this one here, the custom main menu. That's all you got to delete. You just have to add Essential Forge right here and make sure that you delete custom main menu. And boom, it's all set. Uh, that's it. It's that simple. I'm going to load it. It's going to take a million years for it to load up because it is RLCraft. Now we play the waiting game. Yep, there you go. RLCraft 1, which is the same thing, Java edition. Click play. Yes, I understand. Do not worry about it because we got it all taken care of. Now watch. The one time I do it, everything crashes and my computer blows up. Wouldn't that be awesome? No. Okay. Anyway, it's going to take a long time. Prepping, downloading. Ooh. Again, more waiting. You see, now it says essential though, right? It's completed. Darn, I was really hoping my computer crashed right there. Not yet. Just not yet. Anyway, as it's loading, I hope you guys watch this video. Give a like, the sub. I don't have that many subs, but if you do sub, I mean, I definitely will appreciate it. Appreciate any support I get. But once this fully loads up, you're gonna see a different main menu from the original RLCraft. It's going to be the essential main menu. From there, just start your own world. Whenever you have a friend, as long as they do the same steps as you, and they have to friend you while it's open. So they're going to have to make an account and everything. They're going to friend you, and then you can invite them to join your world. Now, I believe I don't remember how many max it can be. I do think the more that you have, the slower your computer could potentially get. I have seen some people play with multiple players during a session with Essential. RLCraft can be a little wonky with it just because it's 2 players. Oh, you hear the ringing. See, Essential has been updated, redesigned, all UIs, improved screenshot experience. Nice. There you go. Minecraft Java Edition with Essential. This is what my character looks like with a little cape. Says Essential. However, we're not going to go into multiplayer or realms. We're just going to go single player. Create a new world, survival, all this stuff. Boom. Oh, there you go. There's the RLCraft pane. Don't worry, it's not blue screen. It's just world. It's being built. Again, playing the waiting game comes RLCraft. It's a large mod pack. I could have easily went with something a lot more simple. No. I want to stress out my computer enough to just be blowing it up. There you go. Boom. Just like that. Oh god. I'm already about to die. Hold up. Man, immediately joined in to about to die. You're just gonna survive this, right? Hopefully. Okay, hopefully your world doesn't just immediately start like that. Okay, cool. And then essentially, we go here. And look, socials. This is one of my friends. They're offline right now. If you get friend requests, add them, and then when they're online, you can just invite people to it. Difficulty, you know what? RLCraft is already hard, so we're gonna put it normal. We're only gonna allow cheats just for the sense of, hey, we're gonna TP everyone all together, so we're not at 10,000 blocks away from each other. And boom, you would invite people to this. Alright, pros. And there you go, that's it. Now, however, your friends cannot play in this world without you being on it. So you're not gonna just join in and your friends are gonna take over the world. No. You have to be on in order for your friends to play. So I do recommend, setting up a good schedule so that everyone can play together. If not, your buddies are going to pretty much be waiting for you. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully this is a helpful video for you. And if not, you just go to the next video. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, and you have yourself a wonderful night. Deuces.